So good it is.
Refreshing.
It's required.
भाई इनकी कारवेन आप देखोगे ना, I'm तो loving it, huh?
I'm Deepak.
Deepak, my name is Amit.
I am Ruchi.
And is this the sleeping place? Yeah.
Yes, this is the bed.
Okay, you can open that like this.
And exhaust also.
Perfect. It's so nice.
When you cook,
नहीं अच्छा स्टाइल है रखने का.
but you can be screwed it.
हाँ ये
आपका ये खोल देते हैं, इसको हो जाता है.
ये
चंडीगढ़ टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया साइकिलिंग ट्रिप में बहुत शानदार लोगों से मेरी मुलाकात हो रही है. इसी लिस्ट में एक और नाम शामिल हो गया है. देहरादून के रहने वाले एक कपल का ना, जिन्होंने टेम्पो ट्रेवलर के अंदर कारवेन बनाई है और मुझे मौका मिला उनके साथ जाकर इस कारवेन का एक टूर लेने का. आइए हम साथ में चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि किस तरह से इन्होंने एक टेम्पो ट्रेवलर में 4 लोगों के सोने के लिए जगह और बाकी चीज़ें की सेटिंग की है. ये टूर बड़ा शानदार होने वाला है. साथ में चल करके देखते हैं. आइए फिर. Okay, so this is the Carmen which we are going to see now. Wow.
Switch on the light.
Nice. So this is the
This
place
is
where
the-
you can cook in
Yes,
case of
the-
emergency, of course. Right?
नहीं we cook here only. Not
Here only.
Yeah,
we are cooking.
always.
We are cooking here only. This is a big
Keeping
sink.
there only.
Abhi I
Okay.
just put some eggs and fruits
Yeah.
inside it.
So in it like sometimes it works like a space also, storage
Yes,
space.
हाँ,
as
it's
well.
work. It is
So it
working.
has a full-fledged bathroom.
Full-fledged
no?
washroom. Abhi we have
Can
just kept.
Okay, so this is the place where we can take bath.
Yes, we can take bath also. So today only we have took bath there only. रास्ते में ही हम लोग लेके आ गए थे गाड़ी को
अच्छा.
और पूरे
Yesterday night we
wilderness
stayed
में.
at White Run.
हाँ.
Morning we take अब fresh होके अपने का धोला पे ले जाते हैं.
Cool. So where did you stay last night?
It's a-
Dhodu.
No,
Nearby
yes,
Dhodu.
yes.
हाँ.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
And is this the sleeping
हाँ.
place? Yeah.
Yes, this is the
So,
bed
yeah,
and
two
this is
people
also
can sleep here.
this
This
is
is
our
for 4 people. I'll just.
Okay, it has a oven as well,
Yeah,
microwave
microwave.
is there and where are the keys?
and it has day-wise menus there.
Yes.
With kids I
Thursday,
have to make.
sandwich, Friday,
With kids.
upma.
So I have to make. Actually, we have done Leh Ladakh trip na, so they were with us only.
Okay.
Leh Ladakh, kids and our parents,
Uh-huh.
6 of them.
We got a
That's
fridge.
of course a good idea. I can see so many eatables.
Uh-huh.
You can cook them rice. What do you
Yes.
call it?
This sevaiya.
Sevaiya, yeah.
This is
Poha.
poha.
And today is our fast, so that we are having bupli and makhana. So this
Okay, you're
is
fasting
utensils हो गया हमारा.
काफे को चाहिए तो बहुत सारे.
हाँ. We got
हाँ.
a- we got a fridge
There's
also.
lots of space.
This is and hope so it will open अभी.
So many keys.
उसका नीचे का हाँ एक्चुअली नीचे वाले का लॉक थोड़ा सा टूट गया है वेजिटेबल्स
Okay. So that has the vegetables there.
थोड़ा लॉक में इसकी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है
चाय सुखो.
हाँ, no
हाँ?
problem.
इसको बाद में दिखाते हैं
हाँ, तो वो
तो
चाय.
ऊपर का जो स्पेस है
Okay,
उसको
हाँ.
कैसे यूटिलाइज
I'll just tell you.
Yeah.
It's have basically got set up 4
Okay,
people.
so it has okay, yeah, please.
ठीक है. And with the help of actuators,
हाँ.
this bed is lifted up and down. वो इतना लगाना पड़ेगा. Then this time we are alone, so we are not using it.
So technically it will be like
It will come like
2-level bed.
Yes. It will like a bunk bed.
Yeah, it's like a bunk bed. Yeah? The kids can sleep there.
Yes.
करा हो
They
ना
can sleep downstairs. No downstairs, down there.
Good.
Great.
नीचे से USB
What's
बस
your
तो
good
नहीं है
name?
I'm Deepak.
Deepak. My name is Amit Tyagi. And what's your name, ma'am?
I am Ruchi
Ruchi. So you're the husband and
Why
wife.
लगा? Yes. Why लगा नहीं?
Which city
Pardon?
are you from?
We are from
We are
Uttarakhand.
from
Oh, really? Where in Uttarakhand?
Dehradun.
Acha.
How old are you?
Chandigarh?
हाँ जी.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is coming down
This is coming down.
Oh, it's so nice to see.
So as of now, camping chairs is going to get put here.
It has an AC installed as well.
Yeah. It has 2 ACs. One AC is the car AC.
Okay.
Second
and
the
second one.
It will
is-
come till here
Yeah.
and then we have made these manual locks also
Okay.
just in case if actuators fail so they are manual
So for
locks
the
also
safety and
yes
And
Nice.
this is basically a launch
Uh-huh.
which we convert to bed also.
this
Right,
piece
we
Right.
have put this
Of
piece,
course,
the
yes.
launch.
This is the first time I'm inside a Carman and
Okay.
having a tour like
And
this.
this has got a vent.
Okay, fresh air. Huh?
Yeah, fresh air.
Okay, you can open
Yes.
that like this.
and exhaust also
It can act as exhaust.
It's so nice.
When you cooking, especially in Indian,
Yeah, in that case. In
that
case.
tadka, we require this.
बिल्कुल किचन में चिमनी का काम
spices,
करेगा
हाँ.
फिर। ये नहीं अच्छा स्टाइल है रखने का हाँ?
But you can be screwed it.
हाँ ये
आप ये खोल देते हैं, इसको हो जाता है.
Yes,
ये
yes.
फिर
It has okay.
this is the fridge
50 liter fridge.
I
Nice.
just left it
अभी भी ऑन है क्या ये?
हाँ अभी
I can see the ice. No, it's
हाँ
something.
it's cold.
It's cold
Just
inside.
freeze.
Wow.
We have done it as a freezer also, and it can convert it to freezer also.
Perfect.
कुछ ही कुछ
So perfect.
Now I have some lassi now.
now you are guest.
Your guest now.
Yeah, a guest at home होता है, guest at Carmen on the
This
road.
is a home.
I do have that same thing. I'm carrying it. Though I
Very
haven't
good.
used it any time, but I am carrying the same.
We are carrying mixie also because we got a power backup of to I got
तो
a generator.
water देना मुझे वहाँ से.
Okay.
Actually वो बहुत freeze हो गया था ना.
So
अच्छा.
that generator we got solar panel of 380 watt
Okay.
and this is a battery backup.
Nice.
UPS
यहाँ
and-
पे हाँ.
तो इससे
Perfect.
पूरा हो जाता है हमारा.
Right, of course. और in emergency गाड़ी की बैटरी भी तो
Sweet or
है.
salty?
Anything, because
No, you prefer
I
what?
should not choose. I don't.
Yeah, I'll just
So,
salty.
You prefer.
No, no, no. Today we are on
नहीं,
fast.
actually we are having fast, that's why we are having sweet ना, तो
आज
I'll-
फास्ट
अच्छा,
में आज इसका फास्ट है देन मेरा भी हो गया.
तो हमारा फास्ट में हमारा कुछ होता रहता है.
Okay, by default ही fast हो जाता है फिर.
हाँ.
Nice. ये साइकिल पे नजर रखना. डॉग में बाहर ही छोड़ा है.
नहीं
इधर रख दीजिए.
Safe no? मैं ऐसे ही रख के आ गया. मैं
तो
भी
you
अभी
are
थोड़ा देर
alone,
से आ रहा
मतलब
हूँ.
family
Yes,
and
yes.
all?
No, no, I'm all alone.
You happy?
More happy. I'm sorry.
Like when also there was Cycle Baba you have seen.
Yes,
but-
I know he's from Hisar.
Yeah, he's from Hisar.
Yes, he's
You
friend
are
of.
you will be becoming like Cycle
Cycle.
Baba then?
I really can't say. He's great person. मैं तो बस घूमने में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड होता हूँ. मुझे ज़्यादा वीडियो वगैरह शूट
तो
करना.
आप चंडीगढ़ से निकले हैं, देन उसके बाद?
चंडीगढ़ से पहले मैं राजस्थान में था.
ओके.
राजस्थान से अभी गुजरात में हूँ और फिर महाराष्ट्र एंड ऑल.
Guys, we got guest here. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah, so my name is Amit Tyagi. I'm from Chandigarh and I'm on a cycling trip. So the first part is Chandigarh to Australia and then of course that will not be the end.
Guys, hope you heard clearly. Till Australia.
इसको बंद कर दें.
और ऑस्ट्रेलिया लास्ट में ही है. Then I'll start traveling upwards.
Okay.
Russia, China and
Okay.
all other countries, Muslim countries and all. तो ये ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा.
Close from here. Okay, good.
पता नहीं कितना टाइम लगने वाला है पर.
And you got some
I'll
channel
continue.
also? So that people
Yes,
can...
I have channel. I have same name, Camping Traveler India. I have a website, Facebook, Insta, same name, Camping Traveler India. So
Guys,
I shoot
request-
the videos and
Please follow him. He's on a wonderful trip. And it's a daring trip. Not everybody can plan such long.
Shall we help?
On a
Yeah.
bicycle.
On a cycle.
it's fun.
Huh?
It's really fun.
Yeah. It's always fun.
People are so warm. You know, they invite. They let me to stay at their home. They
Absolutely.
cook for me and
Absolutely.
wow, it's so
In
amazing.
fact, I met a girl when I was in Assam.
Oh,
She was on the similar trip.
thank you so much.
And
Yeah.
the best part of her trip was that she was not carrying a single penny. She
Oh,
said कि I
goodness.
wanted without a penny.
Oh,
In the evening she used to go to any home. अब बोला तो everybody
Of course,
invites.
of course,
सबने
yes.
प्यार से बुलाते हैं, खाना देते हैं,
Yeah,
रखते हैं.
yeah.
मुझे कुछ चाहिए तो बोलती है कि अच्छा टूथपेस्ट दे दीजिए मुझे टूथपेस्ट.
Oh, okay.
This way she was surviving.
wow.
And I
ये
think-
ज्यादा एडवेंचरस है. मैं तो फिर भी जरूरत होती तो खर्चा कर देता हूँ.
नहीं मतलब वो भी उसका अच्छा स्टाइल था.
Yeah, it's a good style, of course.
तो मेरे पास है, मैंने पता how can I help you?
Yeah.
Because again it's very daring.
Yeah.
मतलब probably I would never thought of
Yeah,
कि पूरा
it
निकल
is.
जाए साइकिल. And as a girl in India
Yes,
still
yeah.
तो उसने बोला कुछ नहीं. आई फाइनली मैंने बहुत बोला अच्छा आई वांट एक मुंह वाला जेल दे दीजिए बस. कि दैट्स द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट.
अच्छा. तो where was she from and what was her name?
शी वाज फ्रॉम बैंगलोर
Okay.
and I'm forgetting the name.
Ah,
Probably I'll drop you the message.
so good it is.
Refreshing.
It's required.
भाई इनकी कारवेन आप देखोगे ना, I'm तो loving it, huh? Maybe after completing the complete trip, you know,
Yeah.
the whole world when I see, I'll come back and then I'll prefer to travel like this. Maybe at that time with my friends and all, everyone,
Absolutely.
whoever want to join, they can.
Absolutely. In
मजा आएगा.
fact, initially तो हम भी ऐसे ही घूमते थे. बाइक में भी घूमे हम भी. फिर now we decided कि थोड़ा सा ना we graduated.
And it's really nice. First ever I'm inside a caravan like this. Thank you so much for
You're welcome.
inviting me inside. It's really good. Nice meeting. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And thanks for the lassi.
Our pleasure.
Great. So thank you for taking me to this tour. And this is the channel, everyone. Van Life Indian Couple. Cool name, huh? It suits to what you are doing. Thank you so much
Thank you so
once
much.
again.
Bye. Best
See
of
you.
luck.
See you.
Best of luck.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Bye. Bye.
All the best for your journey.
Thanks. Thank you. Bye bye. Great man. So first time ever I have seen a van life like this and they have everything inside. उम्मीद है आपको ये कार वैन का टूर पसंद आया होगा। ऐसी कुछ और एक्साइटिंग चीज़ें हैं आपके लिए जो मैं लेकर आने वाला हूँ अगले 2 या 3 एपिसोड में, आपको वो भी देख करके मज़ा आने वाला है। ऐसी और भी जानकारी के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा। मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त कैंपिंग ट्रैवलर इंडिया।